好，咁呢條片咧會同大家講2021年嘅第4條同埋2024年嘅第9條嘅。咁點解擺埋一齊講咧？因為有兩條題目咧其實係好似嘅。咁我哋睇下條題目先。咁佢咧就講with reference to the methods of obtaining copper, magnesium and silver from their oxides, deduce the order of reactivity of these three metals 啦。咁我想咧大家focus 喺即係有啲字眼嘅。咁首先咧，其實依條題目分開兩部分啦。第一部分就係 methods。咁我哋要講到咧就係依三隻 metal 啦 ，copper、magnesium 同埋 silver 點樣 obtain from their oxide 啦。跟住然後第二部分咧就係 deduce 翻佢哋個 order of reactivity 啦。咁我哋溫翻少少書先。咁溫書嘅話咧，講翻先。1/4嘅 candidate 咧係可以 make 到一個 logical and systematic 嘅 deduction 嘅。咁就都即係條題目本身就唔係好難，但係咧大家就寫啲 reasoning 啊，或者寫個 deduction 嘅時候就寫得唔係太好啦，或者有好多細節位咧都寫得唔好嘅。咁我哋睇翻書咧，其實就第4課啦，或者第10課都係有呢部分嘅。咁我哋就有學咗3個嘅 chemical method to obtain metal from their oxide 嘅。咁第一個咧就係 heating the metal oxide alone 啦。第二個咧就係 heating the metal oxide with carbon， 咁第三個咧就係 electrolysis of the molten metal oxide 咁樣嘅。咁呢3個方法有咩唔同咧？咁首先就係佢哋會針對喺唔同嘅 metal 嘅。咁我哋 least reactive metal 咧就會係 mercury 同 silver 就會用呢個方法啦。咁如果比較moderately reactive 嗰啲咧 ，zinc、iron、lead 同 copper 就會用第二個方法嘅。咁最後比較 reactive 嘅 metal 咧就會用呢個 electrolysis 呢個方法嘅。咁同學咧通常寫嘅時候咧就可能會寫漏咗啲嘢啦，例如 electrolysis of the molten metal oxide 就會漏咗 molten 啦，又或者直頭淨係寫 electrolysis， 咁就寫得唔夠精準咁樣啦。咁我睇下點樣答啦。by the way， 咁我上堂嘅時候咧，我都成日用呢啲怪獸啊，唔同嘅武器嚟形容即係呢啲嘅方法同埋呢啲 metal 嘅。咁呢啲冇咁 reactive 嘅 metal， 我哋話佢係小怪獸啦咁樣，咁就好簡單就可以 obtain 到呢啲嘅metal from the oxide 啦。咁可能我哋用啲比較渣嘅武器嘅，咁可能就咁一碌棍咁樣搏下去，咁啊搏暈到佢啦。咁有啲勁啲嘅怪獸啦，咁呢啲比較勁啲嘅 metal 咧，咁你見到佢啲牙都多啲噶嘛，咁樣咁就要用啲勁啲嘅武器啦，咁樣。咁但係記住喎，呢個咁比較勁嘅武器，可唔可以都搏得暈呢隻怪獸咧？係得嘅。咁所以呢個就係個 deduction 嗰樣嘢喺度啦。咁另外咧，有啲最勁嘅怪獸，你見到呢個多埋2隻角嘅，有多牙嘅咁樣，咁呢啲 metal 就比較勁啦。咁就會用啲好勁嘅武器啦，例如用槍先扮得低佢嘅咁樣。咁但係用槍扮唔扮得低呢兩隻怪獸啊？都扮得低嘅，咁就係呢條題目嘅精髓啦。咁我睇下點樣答啦。咁首先咧，我哋from least reactive 嗰個開始啦。咁就第一個方法啦，就係 heating the oxide of silver alone。咁就 silver can be obtained。咁你要有個 deduction 喎，就講翻 while copper and magnesium cannot be obtained by similar method。咁你用一隻咁渣嘅武器咧，係打唔到一個咁勁嘅怪獸嘅，係啦。咁有啲咩 common mistake 咧？首先就係有啲同學會寫咗 burning the oxide of silver 嘅。咁 burning 有咩問題咧？因為 burning 呢個字咧，其實係講緊 reaction with oxygen 嘅。咁但係你而家依一個方法咧，其實就唔係 reacting with oxygen 啦。你見到係 silver oxide，其實 by heating 佢係 decomposing 嘅，係啦，佢唔係 reacting with oxygen 嘅。咁另外仲有一個 common mistake 咧，就係都幾多同學會寫咗 heating silver alone to obtain silver 嘅。咁你本身已經係 silver，你就唔使特別去 obtain silver 啦，係啦。咁就係 heating silver oxide 就 obtain 到 silver 咁樣啦。咁第二個方法咁就係針對 copper 啦，咁就係heating the oxide of copper with carbon 啦。咁 copper 其實未 obtain 啦。咁今次咧你就發現啦，magnesium 就唔可以用呢個方法嘅。咁最後啦，第3個就係 magnesium 啦，就係can be obtained by electrolysis of its molten oxide 嘅咁樣啦。咁最後就係個 deduction 啦。咁點解呢啲勁啲嘅怪獸、勁啲嘅 metal 唔可以用一個渣啲嘅武器去 obtain 佢咧？就係因為咧，原來more stable the metal oxide，the more reactive is the metal 啦。咁有得倒翻轉，the more reactive the metal，the more stable the metal oxide。咁所以咧，你就需要一個勁啲嘅方法去到 extract 佢 from the metal oxide 嘅。咁 at the end 啦，你就答到個 order of reactivity 就係 magnesium 勁過 copper 勁過 silver。咁有啲同學你話我唔使知道個咩方法，我第一步我就即刻寫咗 magnesium more reactive than copper more reactive than silver 得唔得咧？ 你就冇咗 deduction 啦，其實係1分都冇嘅，因為你要有個 deduction 喺度噶嘛，咁你先至 make 到呢個 conclusion 出嚟啊嘛。咁最後呢個5分嘅1分、2分、3分就係 method 啦，跟住仲有1分就係 deduction 啦，咁仲有1分咧就係個 communication 嘅。咁呢一度咧就希望大家係 demonstrate 到你個 ability to deduce the answer 嘅。咁呢條就其實就唔係啲好難嘅題目，老實講第10課就係學3個方法啫嘛，咁但係就甩甩漏漏咯，即係例如漏咗molten 啊，又或者寫錯咗 heating 做 burning 啊，又或者寫錯咗heating the metal alone 咁樣咯，咁同埋最緊要就係冇 deduction 啦，咁呢個咧就係2014年嘅 paper 1B 嘅第4條啦，咁我哋睇埋咧2024年相隔10年嗰條題目係點樣咯喎，其實都幾似嘅。咁就係 using silver oxide, lead oxide 同 aluminium oxide as examples, 3 different methods。咁都係講3個方法啦。To extract metals from their oxide 啦 ，and then describe the relation between the extraction method of a metal and its position in the metal reactivity series。咁我睇下條題目啦。咁又係首先就係呢3個 oxide 啦。係啦，咁然後咧又係2部分嘅，第一個就 state， 但係咧其實今次就簡單啲 state 3 different methods， 咁其實都係嗰3個方法啦，同埋咧今次就唔係 deduce 就係 describe 嘅啫，咁我哋睇翻都係呢3個方法啦，咁但係今次就唔係 silver、copper 同 magnesium， 但係都係 silver 嘅 silver、lead 同埋 aluminium 啦，咁所以咧都係答翻啊，咁啊 3 different methods 咯喎，咁你唔使 deduce 啊嘛，咁就好直接就得啦。Silver can be obtained by heating silver oxide alone. Lead can be obtained by heating lead oxide with carbon. 跟住aluminium can be obtained by electrolysis of molten aluminium oxide。咁就 state 咗3個方法啦。咁跟住最後啦 describe 啦。咁 describe 嘅時候，咁講緊咧係個 relation between the extraction method 同埋個 position in metal reactivity series。咁個 position 咧，我哋就會講翻 the higher the position of a metal in the metal reactivity series is, the more difficult the extraction method of the metal is 咁樣啦。咁跟住 at the end 再加多分 communication。咁其實相對上咧，我自己覺得咧，2024年呢一條咧係簡單過2014年嗰條嘅，係啦。但係我都希望大家2條都做得好，做得到咁樣啦，同埋就寫得 more accurate 咯。咁你見到其實啲題目會翻炒噶嘛，咁但係個分別喺邊咧？就係啲考生其實係越嚟越即係做得多 past paper，咁就越嚟越掌握到 past paper，即係 DSE 係需要啲咩咯。而且 DSE 個要求咧，亦都係越嚟越精準嘅，因為始終都咁多年啦，咁考嘅 content 係咁多就咁多啦，咁所以佢啲題目嘅 difficulty 咧，其實好難話再出到啲即係再深啲、再難啲嘅題目嘅，嚟嚟去去都係嗰堆嘢㗎啦。咁當然會有啲難啲嘅題目嘅，但係佢倒翻轉佢係對考生嘅要求係希望你哋答啲嘢係答得越嚟越 accurate 咯。所以 that's why 即係你會見到嗰個 cut off 咧係越嚟越高嘅。咁所以希望同學都可以即係答啲嘢答得 more accurate 啦咁樣。咁就講到呢度啦，呢條片就教咗2條 past paper。拜拜。